The Swedish Gold Coast was a Swedish colony founded in 1650 by Hendrik Carloff on the Gulf of Guinea in present-day Ghana in Africa. It lasted until April 1663, when the whole Swedish Gold Coast was seized by Denmark and integrated in the Danish Gold Coast. Geography. The colony consisted of only a few forts and trading posts scattered around Cabo Corso along the coast on the Gulf of Guinea and what later would become the British Gold Coast, then Ghana. The colony consisted of fortifications and trading posts. Fort Karlsborg, present-day Cape Coast, Central Region, under Swedish administration, the 22nd of April 1650, January, February 1658, the 10th of December 1660 to 22 April 1663. Fort William, present-day Onomabu, Central Region, under Swedish administration 1650 to 1657. Fort Battenstein, present-day Butry near Sekondi Takoradi, Western Region, under Swedish administration 1650 to 1656. Fort Christiansborg, present-day Osu, Ghana in Accra, headquarters, under Swedish administration 1652 to 1658. Fort Widson, present-day Sekondi Takoradi, Western Region, under Swedish administration 1653 to 1658. Fort Apollonia, present-day Bayan, Western Region, under Swedish administration 1655 to 1657. Gemere Factory, Akara Factory. Colonial heads. Each of the three Swedish administrators had a different gubernatorial title. Director Hendrik Carloff, the 22nd of April 1650 to 1656. Governor Johan Philip von Krusenstjerna, 1656 February 1658, 1659 to 1660. Commander Tonnes Voss, 16 to 22 April 1663. History. Following the foundation of the Swedish Africa Company by Louis de Geer, an expedition under the command of Hendrik Carloff was sent to Africa in 1650. Carloff made a treaty with the Archon King of Futu on selling some areas of land. On the 22nd of April 1650, the Swedish Gold Coast was founded and Carloff became its first administrator. In 1652 the foundations were laid of the Fort Karlsborg. In 1656 Johan Philip von Krusenstjerna was appointed the new governor. This enraged Carloff. He left Cabo Corso only to return on the 27th of January 1658 on the Danish privateer Gluckstadt. Fort Karlsborg was seized and made part of the Danish Gold Coast colony. King Charles X Gustav of Sweden made this one of his reasons to go to war with Denmark. After the Treaty of Copenhagen in 1660, Cabo Corso Castle was to be returned to Swedish administration. However, it then was revealed that Carloff's associate Samuel Schmidt-Smith had already sold the colony in April 1659 to the Dutch West India Company on his own, and had disappeared with the gold to Angola. Later on, the local population started a successful uprising against the new masters, and in December 1660 the king of the Archon people, subgroup Afutu, again offered Sweden control over the area. A new expedition was sent to the colony, which remained under Swedish administration only for a short period. Von Krusenstjerna was reappointed as administrator. On the 20th of April 1663 Fort Karlsborg and the capital Fort Christiansborg again were seized by the Danes after a long defense under the Swedish commander Anton Voss. On the 9th of May 1664 the area again was seized, this time by Robert Holmes, who made it part of the British Gold Coast colony.